Last Tuesday, I watched a 2017 RX 350 get towed into my shop on a flatbed. The owner was almost in tears. "It just died on the highway," she said. "No warning, just stopped running." I popped the hood and saw the problem immediately. A $40 part had failed, but because she didn't catch it early, the damage cascaded into a $7,500 engine replacement. That's $7,500 for a problem that could have been prevented with a 5-minute inspection. This isn't rare. I see it at least twice a month. Different cars, different owners, but always the same story. A small, cheap problem ignored until it destroys the engine. Here's what makes me angry. Every single one of these failures is preventable. Every owner had warning signs weeks or months before catastrophic failure, but nobody knew what to look for. I've been rebuilding destroyed Lexus engines for 24 years, and I'm tired of seeing the same preventable disasters over and over. Today, I'm exposing the 8 critical problems that destroy Lexus engines if you don't catch them early. These aren't hypothetical issues. These are real failure modes I see weekly in my shop. Some of these you can check yourself in 5 minutes. Others require professional inspection, but all of them can save you thousands if you catch them now. Keep watching, because ignoring these problems could cost you your engine. Let's start preventing disasters. Critical Issue 1. The water pump weep hole. Your water pump has a small hole underneath it called the weep hole. This hole is designed to leak when the pump seal starts to fail. It's an early warning system. A tiny drip today prevents catastrophic overheating next month. But most owners never look at the weep hole. They don't know it exists. By the time they notice steam pouring from under the hood, the engine has already overheated and warped the cylinder heads. Here's how to check it right now. Pop your hood and locate the water pump. It's usually on the front of the engine, driven by the serpentine belt or timing belt. Look underneath the pump with a flashlight. The weep hole is a small opening at the bottom of the pump housing. If you see any moisture, wetness, or crusty coolant residue around this hole, your water pump seal is failing. It's not an emergency yet, but it will be soon. Don't wait for overheating. Replace the water pump now while it's a $400 repair. Wait until it fails completely, and you're looking at $3,000 plus for head gasket replacement after overheating damage. Check your water pump weep hole every oil change. 5 seconds of inspection prevents thousands in repairs. Critical Issue 2. Coolant level drops. This sounds obvious, but you'd be shocked how many people ignore gradually dropping coolant levels. Your coolant reservoir should stay at the same level between services. If you're adding coolant every few months, you have a leak, period. Small leaks don't fix themselves. They get worse, always. And here's the deadly part. Coolant leaks often start internal before they become external. Your engine might be leaking coolant into the combustion chamber through a failing head gasket. You don't see puddles on the ground, so you think everything's fine. Meanwhile, coolant contamination is destroying your engine oil, washing away cylinder wall lubrication, and causing bearing damage. Check your coolant level monthly when the engine is cold. The level should be between mean and max marks on the reservoir. If the level drops consistently, find the leak immediately. Common leak sources include radiator end tanks cracking from age, hose connections loosening, water pump seals failing, heater core leaking into the cabin, and head gaskets leaking externally or internally. Never ignore coolant loss. It's always a symptom of a problem that will get worse and more expensive. Critical Issue 3. Timing chain noise on startup. If your Lexus makes a rattling sound for the first 2 to 3 seconds after a cold start, your timing chains are telling you they're dying. This rattle is the sound of slack timing chains slapping against the guides before oil pressure builds up and the tensioners take up the slack. Early in the failure process, the rattle lasts just a second or two. Most owners ignore it. It goes away, so it must be fine, they think. Wrong. Dead wrong. Timing chains don't suddenly fail. They stretch gradually over tens of thousands of miles. That startup rattle is the early warning that your chains have stretched beyond specification. Here's what's actually happening inside your engine. The timing chains connect your crankshaft to your camshafts, ensuring valves open and close at precisely the right moments. When chains stretch, This timing relationship becomes less precise. Your engine runs rougher, loses power, and burns fuel less efficiently. But the real danger is catastrophic failure. When chains stretch enough, they can jump teeth on the timing gears. When this happens, pistons hit valves that should be closed. Valves bend, pistons crack, cylinder heads get damaged. The entire top end of your engine gets destroyed in milliseconds. I had a customer last year who ignored timing chain rattle for 8 months. "It only rattles for a second," he said. Then one morning the chain jumped. His engine made horrible grinding noises and died instantly. The repair estimate? $11,500 for complete engine rebuild. If you ignore it, the chains continue stretching. The rattle gets longer. Eventually, the chains jump timing, bend valves, and destroy your engine. I've seen $12,000 repair bills from jumped timing chains. The fix when you catch it early. Timing chain replacement costs $2,000 to $3,000. Expensive, but not catastrophic. The fix when you ignore it until failure. Engine replacement at $8,000 to $12,000. If your Lexus makes any rattling noise during the first few seconds after startup, have it diagnosed immediately. Don't wait. Every cold start is causing more damage. Critical issue 4. Oil consumption. Modern Lexus engines should not consume oil between changes. If you're adding a quart between oil changes, something is wrong. Many owners think slight oil consumption is normal. All engines burn a little oil, they tell themselves. Not true. A healthy Lexus engine uses 0 oil between 5,000-mile changes. Oil consumption indicates worn piston rings, valve stem seals, or PCV system problems. None of these fix themselves. All get worse over time. Here's the danger. Running low on oil even once can damage bearings, score cylinder walls, and accelerate engine wear. Each time you run low and top it off, you're causing cumulative damage. Eventually, oil consumption gets so bad you can't keep up with it. The engine runs low, warning lights come on too late, and internal damage occurs. Check your oil level every month. If it drops noticeably between changes, diagnose the cause immediately. Early intervention might be a $300 PCV valve replacement or $800 valve stem seal service. Ignoring it leads to $6,000 plus engine rebuilds. Critical issue 5. Transmission fluid, color and smell. Your transmission fluid should be bright red or pink and smell slightly sweet. If it's dark brown or black, smells burnt, or has visible particles floating in it, your transmission is damaging itself internally. Most owners never check transmission fluid. They assume lifetime fluid means they never need to look at it. But transmission fluid tells you everything about internal transmission health. Dark fluid means clutches are wearing excessively. Burnt smell means overheating has occurred. Particles mean metal components are grinding together. Here's how to check on most Lexus models. Locate the transmission dipstick, usually near the back of the engine bay. Some models don't have dipsticks and require underbody access. Pull the dipstick when the engine is warm, wipe it clean, reinsert fully, and pull it out again. Look at the color and smell. Bright red or pink is good. Dark brown is concerning. Black is critical. Burnt odor means immediate service is needed. If your fluid is dark or burnt, you need immediate transmission service. Drain and fill with fresh fluid can prevent total transmission failure. Ignore it, and you're looking at $5,000 to $7,000 transmission replacement within months. Critical issue 6. Brake fluid contamination. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air over time. This moisture causes internal corrosion in your brake system's expensive ABS module calipers and master cylinder. Most owners never change brake fluid. They wait until brakes feel spongy or warning lights appear. By then, internal damage has occurred. Corroded ABS modules fail, requiring 1,500 plus replacements. Caliper piston seize, requiring new calipers at $400 plus each. Here's what makes brake fluid contamination so insidious. You can't see it happening. The fluid looks fine in the reservoir. The brakes work normally, but microscopic moisture is infiltrating the system every single day your car sits. That moisture doesn't just float around harmlessly. It attacks metal components from the inside out. Brake lines develop internal rust that eventually causes leaks. A BS valve bodies corrode and stick. Master cylinder bores pit and wear, causing internal leakage. The worst part? Once corrosion starts, it accelerates. Rust creates more surface area for more rust. A brake system that was fine for years suddenly develops multiple failures within months of each other. I recently worked on a Lexus where the owner never changed brake fluid in 12 years. The ABS module failed, 2 calipers seized, and the master cylinder was leaking internally. Total repair cost exceeded $3,200, all preventable with $120 brake fluid service every 3 years. You can test your brake fluid moisture content with a $20 tester from any auto parts store. Brake fluid should be replaced when moisture content exceeds 3%. If you can't remember the last time brake fluid was changed, it's overdue. Schedule service immediately. Fresh brake fluid prevents thousands in brake system repairs down the road. Critical issue 7. Serpentine belt condition. Your serpentine belt drives the alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, and sometimes the water pump. When this belt fails, you lose everything instantly. No power steering, no alternator charging, no cooling on belt-driven water pump models. Most owners ignore the serpentine belt until it squeals or breaks. Both scenarios leave you stranded and potentially damage other components. Here's what to check. Inspect your serpentine belt every 60,000 miles for cracks, fraying, glazing, or chunks missing. Any of these conditions means immediate replacement. Don't wait for squealing. A squealing belt has already been slipping and may have glazed beyond recovery. Don't wait for breakage. A broken belt at highway speeds can damage other engine components when it whips around. Replace the belt at 100,000 miles even if it looks fine. Internal cord separation isn't visible but can cause sudden failure. A serpentine belt costs $40 and takes 30 minutes to replace. Emergency roadside replacement costs $300 plus and risks being stranded in dangerous locations. Check your belt at every oil change. Replace it proactively before failure. Critical issue 8. Engine oil leaks. Small oil leaks seem harmless. A few drops on the driveway, a slight smell of burning oil, but oil leaks always get worse. Always. And oil dripping onto hot exhaust components can cause fires. I've seen 3 Lexus vehicles catch fire from oil leaks dripping onto exhaust manifolds. The owners all knew about the leaks and kept meaning to get them fixed soon. Common Lexus oil leak sources include valve cover gaskets starting to seep around 100,000 miles, oil pan gaskets degrading from age and heat cycles, timing cover seals leaking from worn engine mounts, and camshaft seals weeping from age. These leaks start small, a few drops weekly, then a few drops daily, then a puddle overnight, then low oil warnings from significant loss. Catch them early, and repair costs are $200 to $600 depending on the location. Wait until massive leaks develop, and you might need multiple gaskets replaced simultaneously at $1,500 plus. Plus, running low on oil from leaks causes internal engine damage far exceeding the cost of fixing the original leak. If you see any oil spots under your Lexus, trace the source immediately and get it fixed. Don't wait. Oil leaks never improve on their own. What you need to do right now. Go check your Lexus right now. Seriously, stop watching and go look at your car. Check the water pump weep hole for moisture. Check coolant level in the reservoir. Start the engine when cold and listen for timing chain rattle. Check your oil level. Look at transmission fluid color. Inspect your serpentine belt for cracks. These checks take 10 minutes total and could save you thousands of dollars. If you find any of these problems, don't panic. Early detection means repair costs are manageable. It's only when you ignore warning signs that costs become catastrophic. Schedule inspection and repairs immediately. Don't wait until next week. Don't wait until your next oil change. Don't wait until it gets worse. Every day you delay allows more damage to occur and repair costs to climb. The pattern I see every week. Here's what happens in my shop constantly. A customer brings in a car with catastrophic failure. We diagnose a destroyed engine or transmission. They're devastated by the repair cost. Then we look at service history. Months earlier, there were warning signs. Small coolant leaks noted but not repaired. Timing chain noise mentioned but dismissed. Oil consumption tracked but not diagnosed. Every catastrophic failure I see had warning signs that were ignored. Every single one could have been prevented with early intervention. The difference between a $300 repair and a $7,000 disaster is often just catching the problem 2 months earlier. Your Lexus is sophisticated and durable, but it's not invincible. It requires attention and maintenance, and it gives you warning signs before catastrophic failures. Learn to recognize those warning signs. Check the critical items regularly. Address problems when they're small and cheap. Do this, and your Lexus will last 300,000 plus miles without major repairs. Ignore it, and you'll be that person getting bad news from a mechanic about a destroyed engine that could have been saved. The choice is yours, but make it now, before it's too late. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.